That's the noise it makes when it's doing the VIN scan. I'm going to show you a little bit about this thing once it gets done with that. Yep, it's a 2016 GM Silverado. Alright, we've selected scan. I cranked the truck up. It'll take it a second here. Let me turn the air conditioner off. It's hot out, you know. Alright, it says I got something abnormal, although the check engine light ain't on. And something with a parking assist control module. Let's see what that says. If I can mash the button here. Okay, I wasn't doing it right. Lost communication, speaker amplifier module, body control module, and radio. You know, this truck was at the body shop a while back. I bet you they didn't hook up something right. I don't really use the parking assist anyways. I mean, you know what? I got it disabled. I got it turned off. Alright. Let's see what this is. And this is the abnormal. It says intake air heater temperature circuit. Check engine light is not on. Not sure what that is. This truck has a little work done to it, so it may be that's what's causing it. But let's look at the data stream here and see what it says. I'll bring you back. You back it up to get to this screen. And if you hit the enter, it gives you a clear code section, but you can read the data stream and you pick what you want to look at. Let's just check engine cooling. Let's see what happens here. Let's check ambient temperature and cooling fan command. Let's see, just see what it comes up with. Ambient humidity is 12.55, and the cooling fan isn't running. Makes me wonder. It even graphs it out there. Sure feels like it's more humidity than that. Hit unselect. Let's go to, there's all kinds of stuff. Misfire data. Let's see what that says. Cylinder 1, cylinder 2. Maybe it'd just be easier to select all. Let's hit select all and OK and see what it says. The charge air cooler temp is 122. Cylinder 1 balancing rate minus 1.13. Cylinder 2 minus 0.41. 0 counts of misfire. It's still loading the others, it appears. Cylinder 5 minus 1.13. Quite frankly, I don't even know what this stuff really means, but I like the 0 counts of misfire. Seems like it's kind of slow loading, don't it? Fuel rail pressure 4,400 psi. Exhaust gas temperature 241. Idling at 639 RPMs. Engine oil pressure sensor 23. EGR position sensor 100%. 86.68% fuel in the tank. I guess if you knew what you're looking at, you'd be able to do something with this stuff. Let me look into a couple other things. You can check steering wheel angle sensor module. Looks like we're not having any trouble with that. This truck could be a pain if it gets to not doing it right, looks like to me. But this is a pretty cool little device here. It plugs in, does all kinds of stuff. You can clear codes and whatnot.